This is an influencer website that I made with AI without coding, and as you can see, it's interactive. There are waves in the back. Then when I scroll more, latest reels and videos about me, brands that I worked with, feed here. Then I got also the collab packages and following on Instagram here. So it looks good, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make something like this. Let's go. Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make amazing looking influencer website without coding, with AI, and without playing around with elements for 3 hours and not accomplishing anything and being frustrated. So we're gonna use Claude Design. I'm using Claude Pro account, but we're not going to start prompting right here, just make me an influencer website. What we're gonna do is that we are going to find some template on Google and use it as inspiration, or even if you know some influencers that got good looking website that you want to use as an inspiration, we can start from there. That you, for example, really like the structure, that you want to have also certain elements on your website like that too. So for example, I found this website right here, and we're going to start from there. So what we have to do is we have to get the website as a PNG. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here to Google. Now I'm going to write website to PNG, okay, and I'm going to paste it at the URL. Now I'm just going to click here, capture the website on the bottom right, but I'm going to change this to PNG. So we have to get like PNG file of it. It's going to download for me. And you can check out the Figma, you can check out the Framer, you can check out the Webflow templates, or as I mentioned, when you like someone, that they have their own influencer website. So look at that. Now I got it. So I'm going to come to Claude Design, and I'm going to just paste the file right here. Okay, and I'm going to write here, hey there, so I want you to make influencer website similar to this, more for Instagram style, without products, just presentation for companies. I want it to be mobile friendly. Please ask me some questions. I want it to be alive and have there a lot of animations. So that's up to you how many animations you actually want. You want to definitely write that you want to be mobile friendly. Then what I always do is that add there some pictures from internet, then I will replace them. And I also check what I actually like send here. So there's like the follow me, products, conference, events, and then we were going to continually edit that, right? So we're just gonna add the influencer website as you like. So also when I go over buttons, I want it to be interactive. So that's what I want. Also model is going to be Opus 4.8, and just ask me questions to figure it out. Okay, so now I'm just going to send it as a start. You can make it even better if you like. You can ask even ChatGPT what kind of things I should give it when you're gonna make the website. I just want to share with it, even with this made up prompt that I just made right now, you can make a good results. So now it's going to generate the questions for me. I'm going to fill the questions, then it's going to generate the website. And then I'm going to share with you how you can actually have it on your domain. All right, so whose portfolio is this? Like the demo. What's the main goal of the site? A page to cover brands for collaborations, and even like showcase content portfolio. Which sections do you want? Hero intro, social stats, latest videos, reels. So we're gonna have hero intro, social stats, latest videos, reels, about me, brands I've worked with, that's good. Instagram style grid, services what I offer, that can be also great. You can have even the Instagram feed amped. Okay, we can have it like that. Which platforms should the stats feature? Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Let's go with Facebook. Or like that only. How much animations? We can go, 10 is going to be most, so let's go with 8. Want me to explore variations of the hero? No, just build a full page. Download the copy. It can be fun and playful. And what's your niche? So here you're gonna write, so I'm in beauty. Also, we can go then with the collaborations and then the services, add there the option to work on a reel or story on Instagram. Just make things up, or even full package with YouTube video, post every day on Insta Reels. Okay, so I'm just going to, I got a few questions here and I'm going to press continue. So it's going to start to make me, you can even write it what kind of colors you would like, what kind of thing you want to have there. And it's going to take a couple of minutes, then we will get back to it. So it just made the website. Let me show you. It's a proof right here. We got the questions. And now when I come here, I want to see a new tab. Look at that. So, hey, I'm Sophie, your next beauty collab. Follow my journey, latest reels and videos. Then about me. Then I got also like trusted by the brands I love. Feed here. You can even get the feed. Either you can ask Claude to add some real feed from the Instagram, or even what you can do is that you can add through the L-site widgets that you would just like paste the code and it's going to add the feed to your website. And right here you see color package that actually convert. Book a reel, book a story series, let's talk. So you can actually see here that it's interactive. Then follow on Instagram, that I would have linked directly to my Instagram. And it looks good. So yes, you would need to have a little bit of editing here. So like changing the image here. But it doesn't look bad at all, in my opinion. It's like how quick it was, right? Is then how long something like this would take me to make through the WordPress or through the Wix or through the Squarespace. Then now you have this presentation website that you can like use. And you would set up, you know, that you start messaging to the Claude that I need to have different link there, something. You just have to like test it out. But how we're gonna do it is that when you're gonna come here to annotate, I can come here and just like do the circle and write, you know, change this animation. I want there in the background be a wave. Or I want there in the background that something is going to happen. So even I can say right here, you can either write or you can annotate. So please, I want you to do like waves in the background animated in the header. Just for test out that it would go through the whole header. Because what you can do, you can either annotate it, that you would just like, you know, and you just like write what you actually want. That's something that you could do, or you can write here. Or then you can also do the tweaks, like describe a tweak, like the ideas that you can do. Or I can click here and edit. So what will edit do is that you can edit the particular segments, or how would I call it, in the web. So when I click here to edit, I can come here and I can click on this, and you're gonna have the image, the rolling that, for example, let's say you're gonna have about me, and about me, you want to change the picture. So here I got an image, for example, that is this one, so I can change that. So you can always do it like that. Now it's, for example, editing me animated waves. So look at this. Now I'm going to refresh the site. Maybe it's going to, yeah, I got the refreshed site here. So let's see how it looks like. New tab. Look at that. I could even say that, you know, right now, it's not fully through the whole website. But again, look, there are like animated waves here. So I don't know how long this would take me to make. I would need it to be like on full. So I can even write that. So I can come here. And you make it through the whole header. All right, now it's capped. Now, I'm going to show you how you can then export the website when you're going to be. So what you're going to do first, we have to get the hosting. When you're going to come here to hostinger.com, link is going to be down below in the description. When you're going to click on it, you're going to get also 10% off. So you're going to click here the pricing, and then you're going to have the premium because you need web hosting with a domain. And the premium at the beginning is completely sufficient enough. You can choose how many months you want. The more months you're going to have, the cheaper the price is going to be. So here on have a coupon code, you're going to write Marcus, apply. Then you're going to have 10% off. And now on a search your domain, you have to write the domain that you want, and there you're going to press just continue. That's it. Now, in the moment when you are going to have this, and you can choose the months, how or what kind of domain, you can have also the free domain for the first year. I come here and I go to hostinger.com. And then you're going to come to profile. So you don't want to use install WordPress. You don't want to install anything, okay? Now, okay, didn't understand what I meant. So, okay, undo. It didn't get what I mean. When you're going to be in Hostinger, there you're going to have websites. And there you're going to find the domain, the website. There you're going to come to dashboard right here. And there you're going to want to be on files. And in file manager, you're going to have access files. Okay. And we're just going to upload the website here when it's going to be exported. That's it. But important thing to say, when you are going to make whatever change, big change, like save, duplicate it right here. When you're going to go on the top left, you're going to have duplicate project. Because you can't really just go back many steps. It's hard to do with the AI. So you want to duplicate the project before you're going to make any big changes. Now, what I want is that on screenshot, it's cut on left and right. So I want it to do you see it? Okay, copy image. And let's see if it's going to get it. So then how are we going to export it? On the top right, you're going to have share and export. And there you're going to have project HTML. So let's just look how it's going. Look at that. We got it. This is something that I really like. So now when I come here to refresh, and now new tab, look at that. Also, sometimes what happens, there is this for example, when it's loading the site, what can happen is there can be like the black screen or something. So if there is something like a logo there, you can also set to the Claude to remove it. But in my opinion, it looks good. It doesn't look bad at all. And I wanted to make it in the way, the beauty Instagram style, and it works. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to top right, share, project HTML, and we're gonna have the standalone HTML. Yes, they changed it a little bit, so export. And we're just gonna wait because it's going to export for us. And when it's going to get exported, we're going to go to File Manager, to Public HTML. You want to delete what is present here. And we're going to insert it right here and rename it to index. That's it. That's the whole way how to do it. Of course, you want to change also the images. Download. Okay, look at that. We got it. Now I come here. I paste it. Okay, we got it. And now I'm going to rename it. And I'm going to write here index HTML, rename. Look at that. Now when I go to website, look at that. So we're going to go to websites, all websites, and I'm going to open the site. And did you see that? So there was this loading of like the flower there or something. It always does it. So that's something that you want to write. And how are you going to do it? Again, I would duplicate the site, and I would write, there is in the beginning of the website, there is this loading. I don't want it to be there, you know, the flower or what was there. Again, that's something I would edit, and I would again export the site and I would upload it. And voila, you don't have any monthly payments. Maybe if you can use the Claude, but you can use it for different stuff, not just like web development. But here for not much, you have great looking website, but the speed, how well we made it, that's something I like. Is that I got like moving waves here. And even for the trusted brands, I love you want to have it, for example, that is going to loop, right? That's all of that you can do. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was beneficial. I know many years ago when I started with this stuff, how difficult the things were, but now it's amazing. So have a great day and goodbye.